Good afternoon, everyone. Today's presentation is all about the future of everyday finance. So you may ask, what is everyday finance? Simply put, it's spending, saving, and investing. Most people have simple needs. They're busy with jobs and families. They don't have time to research complicated financial products, let alone learn new technologies like blockchain. When it comes to everyday finance, most people just want an app that lets them spend and save, which is what most banking apps today focus on. They offer a standard account and a savings account, often with a very low interest rate. Some people also wish to put their savings into investments like bonds and stocks to grow their money faster, albeit with taking some risk. If more banks offered investment features in their apps, more people would potentially use them. Apps like Robinhood took off because they offered a simple entry into the stock market that banks had not. It's all about the simplicity for these three basic needs, which are spending, saving, and investing. Most of us here are already in the crypto space. We know all about Web3. Blockchain offers a powerful alternative to the traditional financial system. Self-custodial wallets open the way to greater efficiency, fewer borders, and more choice, without middlemen taking the cut and no bureaucracy. As a result, Web3 offers many new financial opportunities, both for investing and saving. Bitcoin and Ethereum provide key infrastructure that has seen them be great investments. They also provide a gateway to thousands of other projects making use of a blockchain, a whole new world of new investment opportunities. For those looking for an alternative to savings accounts, DeFi has shown the real potential of Web3. You can now lend out your money and receive bank-beating interest rates thanks to the decentralized protocols such as Aave. Web 3.0 is a whole new financial universe, the financial universe of tomorrow, and it's already here. There's only one catch. Most people don't even know Web3 exists. They might have heard of Bitcoin, but they won't know about high interest earnings with DeFi. Everyone here knows about Web3, but none of us would say it's every day. Our mission at Nash is to change that. Our vision is the new everyday, transforming everyday finance and bringing Web3 to everyone. So what does that look like in practical terms? Nash covers all three pillars of everyday finance: spending, saving, and investing. We combine your everyday banking app with powerful new tools for growing your wealth. You can add funds instantly to high interest earnings packages, which outperform traditional savings accounts. Likewise, you can invest in thousands of cryptocurrencies and trade them at the push of a button. Or you can just buy your groceries using our debit card. What Nash offers is simplicity and accessibility. It's one app for all your money, making the exciting opportunities of Web3 part of your everyday life, a new everyday. That's our vision for the future. But let's consider more concretely the problem that Nash is solving. Crypto is simply too complicated for most people. For the mass market, it's totally inaccessible. People who don't have time to understand stocks certainly don't have time to understand crypto. But there's also important evidence of increasing interest among everyday people. This is why we've seen big increases in the adoption of crypto, going along with integrations by PayPal and Revolut. These companies offer simple ways to enter the crypto market, although they have very limited functionality. But what about giving people real access to crypto? Well, there are many barriers at the moment. Mainly, crypto is unknown and unfamiliar. The opportunities of Web 3.0 to provide high yield returns are still mostly limited to insiders and are not known to everyday people. They are also not safe and secure. Centralized exchanges and wallets have been compromised in the past, which creates a lack of trust in these platforms. Centralized DeFi is also a big issue. We recently saw Celsius block user withdrawals. If centralized exchanges go bankrupt, then users are not guaranteed that they will ever get their funds back. And then lastly, they are difficult to use. Many different connections and a multi-step process with seed phrases and browser extensions. Here's an example of what I mean. Look at the process I need to follow if I wanted to use the crypto earnings platform Aave. First, I'd have to use a crypto exchange to buy USDC to lock in the Aave protocol. I also have to buy Ethereum to pay network fees. Secondly, I need to install a browser wallet like MetaMask. Thirdly, I need to transfer my funds to that browser wallet. And then finally, I can then connect the wallet to Aave and start earning. This involves 3 different platforms and expert knowledge. Most people just don't have time for this, nor the know-how. Compare that with what people know, with the everyday user experience of simple banking apps. One main account, one savings account, and a single click to transfer funds. Imagine if banks made you use a separate app, or 3, for your savings account. The user experience would be subpar. It would be, in fact, terrible. But that's just how crypto feels like today. If crypto is to be the new everyday, then it has to be as simple as the banking apps people already know. And this is exactly the solution Nash provides. We make the opportunities of crypto available to everyone. By combining crypto and banking in one app, we fundamentally change people's relationship to their finances. Web 3.0 is right there in the same app you use for doing your grocery shopping, and using it is as simple as making a transfer to a savings account. Nash integrates crypto in a way that feels like traditional solutions people know and understand. Robinhood brought stock trading to millions. Nash will go even further by combining crypto with your everyday banking. Think of Nash as the first Web 3.0 bank with integrated high-interest savings and crypto trading. Nash overcomes the barriers that have prevented everyday people from taking advantage of crypto. It's one app to spend, save, and invest. We bundle the opportunities of Web3 into an intuitive app along with a cash account, which is an IBAN, and a card. It's safe and secure. Nash is fully regulated with our self-custodial wallets. Users always stay in control of their crypto assets. Multi-party computation adds another layer of security to Nash wallets, and it's also easy to use. We provide easy access to the complicated crypto ecosystem via a simple and intuitive app that feels just like the banking apps people know and understand. Within the existing crypto market, Nash is already ahead of the game. This year, we've seen the market start to shift towards self-custody solutions. Revolut, Coinbase, and Robinhood have all begun developing self-custody wallets where users always control the keys to their crypto assets. Nash is already leading the market in this area with a self-custodial wallet powered by multi-party computation for extra security. What's more, Nash goes beyond all of these companies, which have more limited offerings. what we're providing is quite unique. Not just an on-ramp into crypto or DeFi, but an all-in-one solution for your finances, using cash to spend and crypto to save and invest. Our branding and design also helps make Nash warm, welcoming, and accessible. Most financial apps use dark blue colors, like waiting in line at a bank. Nash is like being out in the open on a summer afternoon, not shut inside. We're a warm, vibrant, and positive place, a place you'd like to spend your time, not a stuffy, traditional bank. Nash is the place you'll want to be, and this is just how we need to feel to give people the sense of excitement and trust required to get them to take a step into crypto. This is our message. These are new ways to grow your money. There are new ways to grow your money, more modern ways, and they're within reach. Nash offers these opportunities to everyone. This product design gives Nash a real competitive advantage. In the industry, combining many services like this in one app is known as bundling. Bundling improves user experience since everything is in one app. It also improves stickiness since Nash becomes a user's new everyday wallet. This is a trend we can see in fintech right now. The first wave of fintechs unbundled specific services and offered them with better conditions than traditional players. Revolut let users manage travel spending. TransferWise improved cross-border transfers. But now we see the trend of fintechs trying to bundle everything back together. Nash is covering all of a consumer's everyday needs while also offering them easy ways into crypto. So where do we see Nash heading? Over the coming months and years, we'll be bringing new people into crypto. Our aim is to create a movement for the many, for everybody, offering them these new financial opportunities. And that will be one of the main pillars of our marketing. Social sharing has been a huge marketing driver for many fintech apps. People are interested in what their friends are up to and open up apps just to see. Discussion of events like shared payments creates bonds between users. And because Nash has so much great to offer, there's plenty for our users to share, from referral programs to news about investments and earnings. If you need a proof of concept, look at Venmo. Venmo's news feeds about payments saw it become a huge success. So we'll be looking at incorporating social features into our app to help grow our user base. Step one of this process will be our upcoming referral program. We predict this will be a major growth engine. Nash is able to offer users the chance to earn 1% annual interest on their referrals balances. That's more interest than bank savings accounts pay, and you're earning it on your friend's money. There's no cap on the number of referrals. The only condition is that users need to acquire Next tokens to extend the validity of the offer. 10K Next, 10,000 Next provides lifetime rewards. Besides sharing your referral code, Nash will make it easy for you to share your successes with friends. First up, we can expand native social sharing features. Share your investment profits on Facebook, Twitter, etc. Share your latest investments and trades. There are also some simple steps to help attract even more friends to Nash. But going further, we'd like to create in-app social spaces and perhaps even gamification. Turn our users into a real community. See what coins your friends are trading. Talk about your latest trades. Compare, share, and discuss budget tips with friends. Split payments, follow influencers, or even become one. And this is just the beginning. We've all seen how powerful social networks can be. Now, let's build one. Join our movement and let's create the new every day together.